dears, today we are going to see about extra topics or advanced topics in Python. So we can use NumPy, pandas. There are other modules packages which we can install and use Python more advancedly. Now as the Python is easiest way to code anything, it is in every space of computer. So if you take statistics, we will use pandas. If you take mathematical operations, we will use NumPy. So here we have NumPy. What we are going to do is like, in order to do the operations in NumPy, there are so many mathematical operations, but in order to show an example or how to use NumPy, we are going to see some basic examples. So how to import a NumPy module or package. So it is import NumPy. So import NumPy will star mark will import all things, but you can rename it by using as. So import NumPy as NP. So all the modules of NP can be now called with NP. So dir of NP will give you the list of operations or the list of methods that you can use under NumPy. So here I am taking a list of 4 values, 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, you know, a list which is an array, okay, which is a data type, preemptive data type. So what I am going to do, I am going to take a list and going to convert into a matrix or a NumPy matrix. So ln equals to np dot as array. So we have a method under np, that is as array, which will convert a list into a matrix. So here it is one dimensional matrix, so you are going to get again a single dimensional matrix. When you print ln, what you will get like this. So the output will be with the spaces, no commas, no quotations, nothing. So it is equivalent to a matrix with 4 different values. So next what we are going to see is like, we have converted a list to a matrix. Now we are directly going to create a matrix using another method under NumPy. So ln2 equals to np dot array. So here we are converting a list to an array. We are using as array. So a list now is converted to an array. Now here what we are going to do, np dot array. So an array will create a mathematical matrix, single dimensional matrix. Now we can create a multi-dimensional matrix also. What we can create a multi-dimensional matrix also, that is np dot array of one inside square brackets we are using 2 different list items separated by a comma, which will give you a 2-dimensional matrix. In order to check the dimensions of the matrix, you can simply use shape. Shape is another method which is used under NumPy to check the dimensions, the 2 matrix dimensions. So when you do ln3, so ln3 I have defined a 2 by 2 matrix, so you can check the shape with n2 2. So it will give the shape of your matrix. So there are multiple other methods are also in NumPy, like cos, sine, signal, Fourier. So there are so many functions. Based on our requirement, you can use the NumPy module accordingly. So for more details and queries, you can reach me over Bison Technologies or reach me online through gangboard.com. Thank you.